How to find Bitget wallet address in 2025. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to navigate the world of cryptocurrency, you have come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to find your Bitget wallet address in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Bitget mobile application installed. Go ahead and launch the app on your device. Once you're on the home page, look for the More tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. You will now be on More Services page. Here, you will see a variety of options. Find and tap on Deposit. This will take you to the list of cryptocurrencies available for a purchase on Bitget. Now, let's say you want to find the wallet address for USDT. Simply type USDT into the search bar. After that, select the network you wish to use. Once you have selected the network, you will see both the QR code and your deposit address displayed on the screen. This deposit address is your Bitget wallet address, which you can use to deposit funds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.